Hands down, the best buy in a midsize SUV. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallahassee, and today I'd like to show you this beautiful 2023 Nissan Rogue SV. The SV is the mid-level package and gives you the most bang for the buck. Around back, rear park assist sensors, chrome bumper protector, lots and lots of cargo room. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Good looking alloy wheels with a great set of Bridgestone tires. More than ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear heating and air vents and dual USB charging ports in the back of the center console. It's pearl white with charcoal interior, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, and color keyed mirror caps. LED daytime running lights, forward collision sensor. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Two-tone bucket seats, power seat, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel you've got paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 12,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera, dual zone climate control, push button start, more USB ports, a 12-volt charging outlet, console shifter, electronic parking brake, keyless entry key fob including remote start, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Nissan Rogue SV, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.